DIY festival crafts. Mew Mew, what are you doing? I'm cleaning up the festival crafts we made before. Wow, these crafts bring back wonderful memories of festivals. Right, so many memories. Which festival crafts would you like to make? Mid-Autumn Festival. Mew Mew, what are you doing? Mid-Autumn Festival is coming. Let me think about how to celebrate this festival. How would you like to celebrate the festival? Ha! I've got it! On Mid-Autumn Festival, people will get together to appreciate the moon in the evening and eat mooncakes. Wow! Let's make a clay rabbit for Mid-Autumn Festival! First, roll the clay into a long strip. Then, cut the clay into pieces. You can use molds to press out the body parts of the clay rabbit. The body parts are ready. Let's put together the clay rabbit. The clay is still wet. Let's dry it first. The clay rabbit is amazing, but one important item is also needed. Is it a delicious mooncake? You are right! Let's make the mooncakes! Okay, sure! The snow skin of the pretty snow skin mooncake is made with Soak the tapioca in warm water until it is soft. Add a little sugar to make it more delicious. You also need to add white starch for a better flavor. The big dough needs to be divided into smaller pieces to make the wrappers. Then, the thin and large wrappers are ready. Which flavor of mooncakes would you like to make? Flavor. Mango flavor. Purple yam flavor. Mango flavor. Choose a nice looking mold to press out beautiful mooncakes. Wrap with plastic wrap to ensure the airtightness when steaming mooncakes. Let's steam the mooncakes! Wow, the soft and chewy mooncakes are ready! Wow, the delicious mooncakes are ready!